Hello doctors, here are these critical mandates from NMC which will impact your practice. As a doctor, you are now required to fully digitize patient records. You have 3 years from June 22 to achieve this goal. But we are doctors, not techies, so it's a hectic job for us. Furthermore, who has that much time? Well, WONDRx understands your problem. Digitizing a prescription forces you to type, resulting in more time spent on screens than on your patient. WONDRx has solved it for you by bringing the magic of digitization on your RX paper. So whatever you write on your RX paper, with our smart and slim ball pen, it'll get digitized instantly. You'll never have to force yourself into typing and lose your time and patient loyalty. And above all, you don't need any technical knowledge. Just write and digitize. WONDRx is the easiest handwriting-based medical record digitizing solution adopted by doctors in more than 260 plus cities and 45 plus specialties. Hang on to explore this magical and innovative solution. As you can see, whatever you're handwriting on the RX paper is instantly being digitized on your mobile. Not only is your handwriting being digitized, the paper allows you to play video, record and share your voice instructions with your patients, refer your patients to nearby healthcare providers and many more. Here are what our users have to say about WONDRx.
It's a wonderful platform with zero behavioral change. I find it very useful and user-friendly because I can interact with the patients while I'm preparing my prescription and no hustle for typing and taking out the printouts.
और अभी मैंने recently इसको install करा. I got this software, I got this digital pen, and it's a beautiful app. It has a lot of features. मैंने इसको use किया, उसके बाद से I started experiencing बहुत अच्छे reviews from the patients also.
It seems to be a very good product. It will make our life easy. It will make patients' life easy. And since we are able to record whatever we are doing,
Call us on the given number or write to us on the mentioned email for a quick product demo of Smart RX paper.